Hello everyone, it's That Teacher here, and today's lesson is going to be on adding fractions for beginners. Let's start learning. Welcome back to our channel everyone, thank you for tuning in to today's lesson. Now, learning to add fractions is an extremely important skill as it builds a foundation for more complex math and the development of critical problem solving skills. Now, I'm about to show you exactly how to add fractions when the denominators, the bottom numbers, are the same. So the golden rule here is, when you are adding fractions that have the same denominator, you do not add the denominator. So you can see here in the answer column, I have put a 5 because you do not add the denominators. So the denominators do not change. Now, you only add the numerators. So the top two numbers here, the 1 plus the 2, that answer is going to be 3. So as you can see here, the golden rule, you do not add the denominators because remember, the denominators represent how many parts the whole has been evenly divided into. That does not change. The numerators is how many parts of the whole number you have. So on the left side, you have 1 part, and on the right side of the equation, you have 2 parts. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, and you do not change the denominator, so your fraction here is going to be 3/5. It's extremely simple when the denominators are exactly the same. You only need to add the numerators, which are the top numbers. It's very simple. Now, I'm going to show you a few more examples here. Like I said, this lesson on adding fractions is for complete beginners who are new to this concept. The difficulty on our channel will ramp up in the next 2 episodes, and we will add fractions with unlike denominators and so on. So the first question here is 1/4 plus 2/4. Remember, we do not add the numerators here. So we do not add the 4. So you can see I've put a 4 in the answer column. Now we do add the numerators. The 1 plus the 2, that answer is going to be 3. So your fraction here is 3/4. Moving on to the 2/5 plus 2/5. We do not add the the denominators. We only add the numerators. So as you can see here in the answer column, I have put a 5 in the denominator spot because we do not add them. We only add the numerators here. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Your fraction here is 4/5. In the bottom question on the left, you have 2/8 plus 1/8, or 2/8 plus 1/8. Now, remember, you do not add the denominators, so the 8 remains exactly the same in the answer column. In your denominator spot, it is an 8, and you only add the numerators, the 2 plus the 1, giving you 3. Now, our final fraction here is 3/6 plus 2/6. You do not change the denominator of this question, so that is going to be a 6. Now, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Your fraction here is 5/6. So as you can see here, it's an extremely easy process. If you follow the simple step, do not add the denominators, only add the numerators, and you really can't go wrong. Now, here are some questions for you to do at home. Remember, get a book, get a pen, work it out. I'm going to pause it here for you. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all the feedback and enthusiasm. Thank you very much. These are the questions for you. I'm about to show you the answers to those questions for the students. Now, hopefully you have absolutely nailed your questions. I know you would have. Our next lesson on this channel, we are going to delve when the denominators are not the same. So there's a few more steps involved there, but we will cover that on this channel in our next lesson. Thank you very much for joining. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. It's That Teacher. Have a great day. See you in the next lesson.